Water resources. We all know that water is essential for all forms of life. Do you know why Earth is called the blue planet? About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 71%. As such, the Earth appears blue from space and hence called the blue planet. Now we can list out the different sources of water. There are large water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, streams, rivers, fresh water, groundwater, etc. These are the different sources of water on Earth. Conserving water and improving its quality. The major contaminants of water are bacteria and parasites, chlorinated hydrocarbons, volatile hydrocarbons, lead, salt hardness, and iron. The use of pesticides in some way or the other is hazardous to people as they are not biodegradable. Water is contaminated with hydrocarbons by oil spills, leaking petrol and diesel tanks, and cleaning fluids that are flushed down the drains. Iron contamination and hard water are more serious problems for industrial activities and electricity generation.